What's up guys, it's James here from Cigar Shack UK, and today we're going over the top 3 cigar cutters I would recommend when you first start smoking cigars. Let's go. Coming in at number 1, you have the straight cut. Now the straight cut probably is the most used cutter in the entire world. Originally this was the only cutter you would ever be able to get. And it pretty much does what it says on the tin. It cuts the end of the cigar off straight. You know, straight cutter, cuts straight. You get the gist. Now there are a lot of pros and cons of a straight cutter. Personally, it is not my favourite. I've only ever received bad things from ever having straight cutters, especially if you're ever going to start smoking short filler cigars. This is the most way you are ever going to get splints in your mouth. But the massive pro is you're going to get the maximum amount of airflow through your cigar using a straight cut. Coming in at number 2, you have the classic V-cut. Now for me, the V-cut is the best cutter and it is my personal go-to. And again, it kind of says what it does on the tin. You cut the back off and it creates a perfect V in the back. My personal favourite is I cut a V one way, I then turn the cigar 90 degrees and I cut it another way to make a crown cut. You've got that little bit more airflow, it's a little bit more fun, but it's real comfortable in your mouth and you very rarely get tobacco splints. Coming at number 3, you've got the classic punch. Now the punch is really simple. You get the end of your cigar, you put it in, you twist it around, you pull it out and it leaves a perfect little circle at the end. Now this is great if you want a real tight draw, you want to really be able to suck on that bad boy. It's almost like sucking a McDonald's milkshake up through the straw for the very first time. This is the best way to eliminate tobacco splints as well, especially if you're smoking a short filler cigar. So that's it, that is my top 3 best cigar cutters for when you are first start smoking cigars. Let me know in the comments which one you use or which one you are looking at using for your first cigar. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, enable that notifications, and follow us on Instagram and join our exclusive Facebook group where we host monthly cigar meetings online where we share a cigar, we share a drink, we have a laugh. It's amazing. Our Instagram is where you're going to get all your discounts off our premium products and our merchandise.